Hello everyone, my name is Megha Nanni. I am faculty of Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Management Studies and Research. Today we will talk about communication and networking. These are the learning objectives of this topic, that after this topic you will be able to understand communication between computers and to know network and its terms, as well as you will be able to know the various network topologies also. So our first concept is, what is computer communication? Communication is the process of transferring messages from one point to another. There are three basic elements of any communication process are: first, a sender, which is also known as source, which creates a message to be transmitted; second, medium, which carries the message; and last, a receiver, which is also known as sink, which receives the message. Now, let's see the meaning of what is data communication, because we are talking about computer communication. So, we will see this important concept, that is data communication. Data communication is the exchange of data in the form of zeros and ones between two devices via some form of transmission medium such as wire cable. If we are saying computer is having communication with each other, so we will share our data, we will exchange our information. So if we are sharing our information, so no doubt we are, in short, we are sharing our data, we are exchanging our data. So we'll say that is a data communication. So computer communication is also known as data communication. Now this data communication has some important elements: first, sender, then second, medium, third, receiver, and fourth, that is protocols. Now let's see the meaning of networking. A computer network is a group of two or more computer systems linked together for sharing information. In networking, one cannot share any data and programs, but can also share other resources like printers and etc. These are some networking terms: network, client, client-server network, node, enterprise network, peer-to-peer network, resources, server, and workstation. Now we will see the types of computer network. So there are four types of network available: LAN, MAN, WAN, and PAN. So first network, that is LAN. LAN stands for local area network. Local area network is a group of computers connected to each other in a small area, such as building, office. LAN is used for connecting two or more personal computers through a communication medium such as twisted pair, coaxial cable, etc. It is less costly. This is the diagram of LAN. Types of LAN. There are two types of LAN available: peer-to-peer LAN, client-server LAN. Now, second network, that is MAN. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. A metropolitan area network is a network that covers a large geographic area by interconnecting a different LAN to form a larger network. Government agencies use MAN to connect to the citizens and private industries. This is the diagram of MAN. Combining various LAN, it will become a MAN. Uses of metropolitan area network. MAN is used in communication between the banks in a city. It can be used in airline reservation also. It can also be used for communication in the military offices. Now last, that is WAN. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. A wide area network is a network that extends over a large geographical area such as states or countries. A wide area network is a quite bigger network than the LAN. A wide area network is not limited to a single location, but it spans over a large geographical area through a telephone line, fiber optic cable, or satellite links. The internet is one of the biggest WAN in the world. So we can say that internet is the example of wide area network. This is the diagram of WAN. Now last, that is PAN. PAN stands for Personal Area Network. Personal Area Network is a network arranged within an individual person, typically within a range of 10 meters. Personal Area Network is used for connecting the computer devices of personal use. It's known as Personal Area Network. Personal Area Network covers an area of 30 feet. Personal computer devices that are used to develop the personal area network are the laptop, mobile phones, media player, and PlayStation. This is the diagram of PAN. Now we will see our next concept, that is network topology. A network topology is the arrangement with which computer system or network devices are connected to each other. Types of network topology. So there are some types of network topology. We will see one by one. So first type, that is bus topology. Bus topology is a network type in which every computer and network device is connected to a single cable. When it has exactly two endpoints, then it is called linear bus topology. This is the diagram of bus topology. Second type, that is ring topology. It is called ring topology because it forms a ring as each computer is connected to another computer with the last one connected to the first. Exactly two neighbors for each device. See the diagram of ring topology. Then star topology. Next type is star topology. In this type of topology, all the computers are connected to a single hub through a cable. This hub is the central node and all other nodes are connected to the central node. We have diagram also. The next type, that is mesh topology. Mesh topology, it is a point-to-point connection to other nodes or devices. All the network nodes are connected to each other. We can see in the diagram. Then tree topology. It has a root node and all other nodes are connected to it, forming a hierarchy. It is also called hierarchical topology. It should at least have 3 levels to the hierarchy. See this diagram. Then hybrid topology. It is two different types of topologies, which is a mixture of two or more topologies. For example, if in an office in one department bus topology is used and in another star topology is used, connecting these topologies will result in hybrid topology, bus topology and star topology. See this diagram. Thank you.